Hi, so this video is going to show you how to submit a first draft of an essay. And what they'll look like here is they'll be titled Writing Assignment, First Draft, and Peer Assessment of Major Writing Assignment. And then you'll have a number and then the title of the essay. So when you are in any weekly module for assignments, you will see you have the table of contents, and I've already selected this writing assignment for the first draft. Now, this is from an old course, and my view looks a little bit different from your view. Um, and so I'll just keep that in mind. So what you'll do is you'll go down to this view/complete assessment link. But before we do that, before I select that, let me show you something. For any first draft, you have a submission period and an evaluation period. The submission period is when you can actually post your essay to this link. So for example, the submission period for this one is August 24th through August 30th at 11:59 p.m. Within that time period is the only time period you can submit the essay. If you do not submit it during that time period, you will not be paired with a peer and your submission will be considered late and not acceptable. So make sure that you do submit your essays on time. Once the submission period is over, in this case August 30th at 11:59 p.m., then the evaluation period will begin right here, which is in this case August 31st through September 6th. And that's when you will complete the peer review, which I show you how to do in another video. So to submit the essay, you select this link, and then you will see this question 1 right here. Now, you will be able to select it. I can't because of the way my system works as the instructor. But you'll be able to just click on that, and then what you'll get is this page here. Now you'll notice mine says preview. Again, yours won't. And then you'll go down here, you will select question 1, and you will be able to type your essay in here, cut and paste it, whatever you would like, or you can, again, attach a file, which more than likely you're going to be attaching a Word document. But again, that's up to you. For first drafts, you are allowed to use this submission box if you'd like. So you would just browse your computer, attach the file, and then you would hit OK or submit, and then your essay will be submitted, and you will then be paired with a peer who will read your essay and comment on it. And likewise, you will be paired with someone whose essay you will have to read and comment on it.